I was at a Cars and Coffee about a month ago. And I don't know if you're into sports cars, you know that most people don't put their front license plates on. And I didn't want to put mine on either. But there's a reason I put this front plate on here. And it has everything to do with the police. Watch this video and you'll understand what I'm talking about.
Believe it or not, I got pulled over and got a citation from that motherfucker. So, dead serious, same fucking cop. He got his revenge on me today. And I suspect he probably knew it was me. I don't know, because he was not very happy. So, let me refresh your memory.
So, just a brief description here. This guy owns some sort of Ferraris or a Ferrari, and they go to these cars and coffee events. And this cop was acting pretty crazy for a cars and coffee event. But this is kind of going to explain why I put my license plate on the front of a sports car. That a lot of people keep asking me, why did I do that? Look, this cop is trolling the shit out of this cars and coffee. He's running everybody's license plates. I mean, he is just off the chain, man. Look.
Alright, yeah, so that guy's an asshole, right? Well, today, after we went out for a drive in the Ferraris, we stopped at a gas station to kind of get some gas and get some drinks and whatever and chill out. Turns out that cop happened to be at the gas station. So, and I parked right next to him without knowing who he was and frankly not caring. And lo and behold, he must have recognized me, and he fucking waited for us for over 20 minutes because...
Look, there's a cop with a car. He's sitting at the gas station. Keep watching. This is why I put my plate on. Because you don't want to be at the mercy of some overzealous policeman. And they all aren't. Some policemen, the majority of policemen are cool as hell. But why take a chance and run into one that's like this guy? Watch this.
So, just got done with the Lime Creek. It's caught at the gas station. That was good timing.
And you can believe that there's a good chance that there's a little jealousy and haterism going on with this cop. Because these guys are driving some of the baddest Ferraris I've ever seen. And it's more than one, so I'm sure there's a little haterism going on with this guy. And again, most cops aren't like this. Most cops are cool, man. I've had cops pull me over in my vet and be like, man, that is one clean car. And some of them even own vets, so they get it. But you got that one guy. Woo!
I asked my dad over the cats too.
So there's the cop leaving. And let me let him explain it.
See what happens. Alright, so once we decided it was time to go, didn't really think anything of it, and pulled out properly, slowly, with the blinker on and everything, and then proceeded to come to a full stop at the stop sign. And then when I made my turn, he came flying around the corner and pulled me over, along with my buddy in the GTR. So he walked up and immediately said that the reason he pulled me over is because I failed to stop at the appropriate spot for the stop sign, which I was like, what are you talking about?
What the
And he said, I stopped with my rear wheels on the stop line instead of my front wheels. Which is totally just like one of those like bullshit things, right? I fucking came to a full stop properly at the stop sign. And then he also said, well, and you have no front plate, blah, blah, blah. So he gave me a ticket.
No front plate. No front plate. You can get a ticket for that. That's why I put my plate on.
For the no front plate. So let's take a watch and
Check-
tell me what you think.
Check this out. Damn, that thing sounds good. Oh, that must be the stop sign right there. Man, you don't get nobody no ticket for that. Wow, he jumped out immediately, clearly waiting for them to make any kind of mistake. Watch how anal this guy is. I mean, he is really, really anal. Watch this. No front license plate. Failed to stop at designated point. Okay.
I stopped. Stop. Not at the designated point. White line on the ground, your rear tire is arrested.
Now, a lot of times, I don't know if you ever stopped at that line. That line is so far back that you can't get a good view of what's actually coming. I mean, damn.
Stop right across.
All right, my license in my wallet. 1 second. It's in my wallet. Hold on, I gotta turn on the car to get it.
This guy just like he has a sucky life.
Citation on the LP, warning on the stop at the designated point, exchange of the yellow box, non-admission of guilt, promise to contact the court, get y'all that contact info here in a second.
This is for, sorry.
Citation for the front license plate, warning for stopping at the designated point.
Okay.
So he only gave him a warning for not stopping at the designated point because he know that's bullshit. That's a bullshit ticket. But he hit him for the license plate. Now, if you put the plate on your car, sports car or not, they ain't got no reason to mess with you. That's my logic.
I get y'all that contact info as soon as I print it out. Okay, we're gonna print this out, you're right back with you.
That's ridiculous.
Like I said, same for non-admission of guilt, promise to contact the court before the 6th of next month, all the contact information above and to the left of your signature, you can take care of it all online. Take care, be safe out there.
Thanks.
That's hilarious. Yeah, get that thumbnail.
So, you know, I mean, what can I say? I don't have a front plate, so, yeah. Interesting to know, he did lie on his citation because he said he didn't know the race of the individual, which he clearly saw me at the gas station, knew who I was, and stuff like that, so that's bullshit. But whatever. I mean, the court's not going to throw out a citation for the front plate because of something like that. So
Yeah. So that's why I put my front license plate on my car. That's crazy.